Y'all know how the blue crab come when they live. And she was she was at the blue crab. Oh my God. Hey guys, what's up? How y'all doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Well, welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you clicked on another thumbnail, yeah, you clicked on another thumbnail, girl. You clicked on another thumbnail. And today, guys, I am on my lunch. So y'all know about this be another short mukbang. Okay, y'all know how we doing these lunches and stuff. But anyway, y'all, I went to Subway. And I just had a taste for some good old tuna. Y'all know I don't need all the vegetables and stuff like that. So I have a 6-inch tuna on wheat bread, and I got white American cheese on it, and this is what the tuna looks like. Wait, probably can't even see the tuna. Can you see the tuna and the cheese? Probably really can't see it, but this is what the tuna looks like. Okay, that's what the tuna looks like. And before I start, I can't talk. Before I get started, I'm gonna say my grace. Gracious Father, I thank you so much for this food that I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. I pray, amen. Oh, and for the drink, guys, I have a good old cold pop. I have a good old cold. That's a Sprite. So, yes, I have a good old cold pop. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It is a lovely day in the neighborhood around this piece. So, you guys, let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and take my first bite. And this is what the sandwich looks like. And yes, I'm a very, very plain, picky eater. Okay? But anyway, I don't need all the vegetables and stuff like that. So let's take our first bite. Let me turn it around this way so I get me a good old thumbnail. Hold on. Perfect. I had been to Subway in like a long time, y'all. And I normally get a foot long, but I just can't eat no whole foot long. Y'all, this is good. This is really good. Now, I've had tuna sandwiches from several different places before, but it seemed like Subway tuna be just real good. I've had dry. When I say dry, I mean that hoe was dry. Okay? I've had some dry tuna as well. But every time I come to Subway, they tuna be pretty good. I got it on wheat bread. And my kids and my husband do not like wheat bread, but honey wheat is good and wheat is good. It really tastes like white bread, really. You don't taste, it's not that big of a taste difference. Not to me, it ain't. I know they say wheat is healthier, so maybe. It's good. It's good. There are a few new things on that menu that I want to try, y'all. They got a new sweet and smoky steak and guac signature wrap. It looks good. But I wonder, is the bread or the tortilla wrap that they're wrapping in, is it toasted first? I don't know. It looked like it's toasted on the picture though, but it could be not. But y'all, I am super duper uberly excited. I've got some great stuff coming up soon, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Y'all, I'm sorry if my head's cut off, but I know y'all ain't interested in seeing the top of my head anyway. I got some stuff coming up. I'm so excited. Got some trips coming up. I'm so excited. Y'all, it's time for me another fill-in. I know. Y'all see all this right here? This is hair color that I was coloring my hair the other day, and the dye would not freaking come off. I got it right here, and I got it right here on my arm, and the thing will not come off. I have been scrubbing every night. I get in the bathtub every morning when I take a shower, whatever, and I be scrubbing, the thing won't come off. Y'all comment down below and let me know what I can use to get this hair dye off my skin. Leave my skin. It's just there. So y'all comment down below and let me know. I've tried to use alcohol. I've tried to use nail polish remover. I don't know what else to use. I guess over time it'll eventually just come off, but it's just irritating me because I guess I know it's there. But anyway, yes, it is definitely time for me to get a fill in, but I probably won't have time to get another fill in until the weekend. I've been really super busy. I'm always busy. But I'm a firm believer. Whatever you want, you can get it. Whatever I want, I can get it. Whatever you want, sis, bruh, you can get it. You just gotta make time for it. If you're willing to put in the work to get it, make it happen, you can do it. So I won't have time to get my nails done until this weekend. Because I got other stuff to do. Okay, that's a little bit more important than these nails right now. And y'all know I take pride in my nails and my Urshan. I take pride in my nails. But I just haven't really had the time. And I can't really find time to make the time to get my nails filled in. Then I thought about taking them off, soaking them off, getting a full set, let my real nails rest. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But I think I'm gonna just get a fill in this weekend. Y'all, I'm getting full. I was watching, who that was I was watching the other day? I was watching Marsha Bodacious. If y'all haven't already subscribed to her channel, go over there to Marsha Bodacious channel and tell her that Miss Lovely sent you. She had a pretty pink on her nails. That was she has inspired me to go get some nails get a nail color pink. So I think I might go, whenever I get my feeling this weekend, I'm probably go for like a hot, pretty pink, hot pink. Her nails was pretty. When her and her daughter Z was picking at the blue crabs. That was funny. She had me rolling in this car laughing. I gotta tell Marsha to stop. I can't watch her videos when I'm driving because I'll be there run off the road from holler laughing so hard at her. Sorry y'all, my camera cut off. But as I was saying, well, I can't be watching Marsha Bodacious and trying to drive at the same time. That girl is crazy. You hear me? You was guaranteed to get a good laugh over there. She had me rolling the other day. She was running from the blue crab, y'all. And the blue crab was, y'all know how the blue crab come when they live. And she was, she was at the blue crab. Oh my God, me and my son was in here dying laughing at her. My son had to rewind it back so he could look at her growl at the blue crabs again. I thought that was so funny. So y'all go check out my sis Marsha. Almost done, y'all. I'm ready to do some I don't know what I'm about to say. Never mind. Y'all, I'm getting full already. Almost my last bite, y'all. I'm done. Yeah, I finished my food, y'all. I finished all my food on camera. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I never finish my food on camera. You know, I always get full quick. So y'all, oh, that was good. So guys, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're an oldie but a goodie, y'all know Miss Lovely love you. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be more than happy to have you. Be a part of my lovely league. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. Share it. Share the video wherever you share your videos at. Oh, excuse me. And y'all comment down below and let me know what I can do to get this hair color, this hair dye off my skin, because it's aggravating me. Okay? So make sure y'all keep looking good and keep smelling good. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye. Bye-bye.